Water heating systems are an important part of the home. A change in your water heating system may be the solution to creating long-term savings. With the holidays around the corner, now is a great time to start implementing changes. Benefit 1. It's a greener option. Tankless water heaters are either heated by gas or electricity. Although gas-operated units flow water at a high rate, keep in mind that electrically operated units don't produce greenhouse gases. Benefit 2. Supply matches demand. This means that hot water is only provided when needed. This is opposed to storage water heaters that expend energy even when you aren't using them. As a result, you save money. Benefit 3. Endless supply of hot water when needed. You don't have to wait for the tank to fill up with more hot water. That means no more cold water when the person before you takes a 30-minute shower. Benefit 4. Tankless water heaters take up less space than tank heaters. The unit can be stored in hidden places, such as a closet or inside a wall. Benefit 5. Tankless water heaters last longer than storage water heaters. And tankless water heaters typically last 5 to 10 years longer than tank heaters. In conclusion, tankless water heaters might cost more upfront to install, but they will save you in the long run. To learn more, take a look at the U.S. Department of Energy's consumer resource on saving energy and using renewable energy technologies. If you are considering installing a tankless water heater, don't forget to make sure you are consulting a licensed and certified contractor. If you plan on doing it yourself, make sure you clearly understand the process of installing. Since 1960, Electric League of Arizona has built a base of consistent professionals who are industry licensed, insured, and bonded, with 100% guaranteed follow-up. Electric League of Arizona provides free referrals. Call 800-368-7767 for a free referral today.